Hello, I am Ben Swoboda, Senior Manager of Product Management at Flexera. We are announcing that Spot Eco has officially made its way to the Flexera One platform, where it will be known as Cloud Commitment Management. Today I'll give you a tour of some of the recent changes that we have made. All the updates I will discuss now have been made to the Amazon Web Services tab. The Azure and Google Cloud tabs currently have the same content as what was shown in the Spot console, but in the future, we will consolidate all the provider data into a single tab, which you can then filter by provider. There are three main sections to this update. Filters at the top, which affects most of the screen below. In the middle, we have performance data, and at the bottom, information related to commitment value and risk. The billing account drop-down allows the user to toggle between billing accounts. In AWS terms, that's the master payer. The date picker allows you to select a date range to consider for all the visualizations below. You can quickly pick dates, such as what I'm doing right now, or you may choose ranges of months and quarter groupings. The more narrow time range that you select allows you to get greater granularity within the visualizations. For instance, since I selected a 14-day or fewer day range, it now allows me to look at my ESR over time, hour by hour. You are also able to select regions or services in the filters. The executive summary at the top contains several cards that quickly answer questions of how Cloud Commitment Management has been successful. All the summary cards are affected by the filtered date range, and they provide a before and after view so that you can compare the time range that you selected above with your statistics in the month just before you became a customer. Savings is the easiest way to determine success, but our users have expressed their interest in effective savings rate, or ESR, as a primary metric for determining success. We also have an actions summary card. We show compute ESR for non-spot EC2, ECS Fargate, EKS, and Lambda. For non-spot ESR, we show data for RDS, Redshift, Elasticache, and OpenSearch. For compute ESR with Spot, we are including Spot usage in all of the compute services mentioned before. Compute ESR for Spot is very important for Cloud Commitment Management customers who also use the products Elastigroup and Ocean. Finally, it quantifies all the actions taken by Cloud Commitment Manager. The ESR chart dynamically updates based upon the date ranges that you have selected above. It has variable granularity depending on the range of dates you select. It shows how Cloud Commitment Management has adjusted to changes in your environment over time. You may see the data in chart or table format. You may also download those formats. The downloaded PDF shows what filters were selected before you downloaded it. If you choose to download a table view, it will come in a CSV format. All the data in the CSV will be the same data you see in the console based upon the filters you selected. Effective costs and waste over time. This chart has variable granularity depending on the range of dates you select. Effective cost is the cost actually incurred with upfront costs amortized. Cost is broken out into the three main purchase options plus the cost of unused commitments. This gives you a great idea where your cost optimization money is going moment by moment. The data is also offered in a chart and a table format, which can be downloaded. Coverage and utilization over time. The coverage chart shows your investments represented as a percent of on-demand equivalent cost covered, which is the pre-discount cost. Utilization is represented as a percent of commitment dollars utilized. The data for either category is also offered in chart or table and may be downloaded. Total commitment value informs you how much of your investment remains in unused commitments. Total commitment value expiration gives you a quick understanding of how long it will take for each quarter of that remaining investment to drain out, assuming no further changes are made. The commitment value expiration chart is a detailed graph of the same data, helping to understand the types and values of commitments remaining. It corresponds with the table below, which shows the value which is expected to expire each month. Thank you for watching the demo. We hope you are as excited as we are. Stay tuned because there are many more updates coming soon.